And that's all for viewer mail. We'll be right back after this brief message from one of our sponsors.
If Lamb Chop married Howdy Doody, would her name become Lamb Doody?
The plot line was cool.
Was that one with the bullet?
Yeah, where he like goes back and it's cool.
I don't get what the point of it is. I guess I
You can't. You definitely have to see. You can't explain it at all. I tried it today to the baseball team. It was like.
What a pain. Where's that corkscrew when you need it?
I can't read the small print.
This looks like great food, but I have nothing to eat it with.
Just watch those problems disappear when you're the proud owner of Swiss Army glasses. Your Swiss Army glasses come with a Phillips head screwdriver, a fork, a spoon, a magnifying glass, a corkscrew, and a toothpick. All for the unbelievably low price of $19.95. But wait, that's not all. If you're one of the first 25 callers, we'll throw in the nail clipper attachment absolutely free. So pick up the phone right now and order your Swiss Army glasses today. You'll be glad you did.
If a mute swears, does his mother make him wash his hands with soap?
Is your family tired of eating the same old every day? You done got better things to do than slave over a hot stove every night? Well, then what the heck you waiting for? Pick up the phone and call me, Zeke Tarbuck, at Zeke Tarbuck's Fast Roadkill Restaurant. Try our Skunk Delight for $4.95, or our Squished Rabbit Special for only $2.49. At Zeke's, we use only the freshest local roadkill available.
Can I take your order?
We'll have one, please, for the family.
Zeke, one raccoon!
Hold on a second. Okay.
You know when Zeke's the roadkill, then you're licking!
Just check it. Oh, yeah. Right. All right, good.
So if you got a hankering in the pit of your belly, just get to swallowing some Zekes.